Mumbai. Namaste parents. Are you worried? Are you looking for Dadar Mumbai-based Marathi families for matrimonial alliance who's equally qualified and professionally settled? Then you're watching the right video. This is Pragati Upadhyay. Today I am here with another video on one of the best Marathi marriage bureau in Dadar, Mumbai. A marriage bureau for Marathi elite and middle class families. A marriage bureau which is not only limited to Marathi bride through matchmaking services but also manages wedding vendors such as photographer, choreographer, caterer, wedding venue, music bands, as well as taking contracts for everything. From matrimonial matchmaking services to organizing weddings in Dadar, Mumbai. But before that, if you are new to our channel, please like and subscribe and do not forget to press the bell icon to never miss another. Situated in the heart of Mumbai, Dadar, Mumbai is one of its major commercial hubs. It is home to several industrial estates and office complexes. Resulting in a high financial significance, hotels in Dadar Mumbai East and Dadar Mumbai West provide hassle-free connectivity to all these places as well as other prominent localities of the city such as Lower Parel, Bandra and Dhori. Our forefathers believed that marriages are decided in heavens, but it is we who have to start the process. In Dadar Mumbai, some people meet their life partners easily and some others have to struggle to find one. It is still more difficult to get a suitable bride or groom in Dadar Mumbai. In good old days, marriages were arranged by friends, close family members, relatives, priests or even barbers. But in this cyber age, the search for Marathi life partner in Dadar Mumbai has been taken up by Marathi marriage bureaus or Marathi marriage consultancy in Dadar Mumbai. Today I will introduce you a Marathi matrimonial service provider in Dadar Mumbai which is efficient for those who are encountering with the problem of searching and finding the Marathi families in Dadar Mumbai for matrimonial alliances. Although there are many marriage bureaus arranging marriages in Dadar Mumbai, but the marriage bureau in Dadar Mumbai who have changed the concept of Marathi partner search and they have resolved all the drawbacks of traditional marriage broker services in Dadar Mumbai. Imagine a marriage bureau which delivers a great shortlist matching your brief in under 7 days and not in weeks like others. Very briefly, I am going to tell you what the Marathi family is looking for in the search for a bride groom in Dadar Mumbai. Yes, they keen to match with people of similar status. They also look for a personal and lifestyle match. And at last, there has to be a perfect match in terms of both the family and the business. Now coming to the details of Dharma Vedic Marathi matchmaking services in Dadar Mumbai, Dharma Vedic offers a personalized and exclusive way to choose a life partner in absolute comfort with utmost privacy and confidentiality. We have never compromised on the quality and the services provided to the customer. We provide special and personalized online cum offline services just like your neighborhood marriage bureau in Dadar Mumbai to help you find the right match. Frankly speaking, Dharma Vedic creates a partnership with their clients, parents, families based on trust, understanding and delivery. We're not here to make empty promises. We are here to make connections between great people and families in Dadar Mumbai. We're dedicated to providing superior customer service every step of the way related to marriage in Dadar. That's why 9 out of 10 clients tell us they'd recommend us to their colleagues in Dadar. Dharma Vedic top features are: number 1, we do not just sign up clients for a fee. Our team personally assesses their lifestyle and see whether they qualify to be one of our clients or not. We have a very transparent approach towards this. Number 2, we have the large Marathi database of profiles in Dadar, Mumbai and our service is 100% discreet and confidential. We also have handpicked matches that suit you by trained relationship managers who will facilitate meetings with prospective partners in Dadar, Mumbai. Number 3, our Marathi matchmaking service in Dadar, Mumbai fee ranges from 65,000 rupees to over 2 lakh rupees only. One more thing, Dharma Vedic also arranges wedding vendors, wedding venue and other related things at a good discount. At the same time, apart from arranging wedding vendors, Dharma Vedic also takes contracts for organizing weddings in Dadar, Mumbai. So parents, it's high time now to find the best bridegroom for your loved one. Please make an effort to message us at 8828952895 so that we can help you throughout the Marathi matchmaking process in Dadar. Join or connect with us through our videos, or you can also visit our matrimonial matchmaking portal www.dharmavedic.com. If you have not subscribed our channel, then please subscribe it and do not forget to press the bell icon for latest updates. Stay tuned and stay fit. Namaste. Thank you.